Welcome to Reed Maintenance Services, Inc. We are your trusted partner for reliable dumpster rental in Bellewood Park, Huntsville, Alabama. Our goal is to simplify your waste management needs by providing you with high-quality dumpster rentals for various residential and commercial purposes. Whether you're working on a home renovation or a construction project, our dumpsters are designed to handle your waste disposal efficiently. We take pride in delivering top-notch service and ensuring that our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready for all your disposal requirements. At Reed Maintenance Services, we are committed to providing you with excellent service that makes waste management hassle-free. Our friendly team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction, making your dumpster rental experience seamless and stress-free. We strive to be your go-to source for all your waste management needs and are here to assist you every step of the way. We offer competitive pricing, making dumpster rentals affordable for projects of all sizes in Bellewood Park. Our prompt delivery and flexible pickup options are seamlessly integrated into our service, ensuring that your dumpster is delivered and picked up at your convenience. Ready to simplify your waste management with Reed Maintenance Services, Inc.? Contact us today at 256-640-7888 or visit our website at www.reeddumpsters.com to book your next dumpster rental. Let us handle the waste, so you can focus on the success of your project without breaking the bank. At Reed Maintenance Services, Inc., excellence meets efficiency, and your waste disposal needs are our top priority in Bellewood Park, Huntsville, Alabama.